Hey guys, Tech Timmy here again. So in this short video, I'm going to do a quick demo of the UKOKE app itself. I already created an account. I got it installed and configured after a little bit of troubleshooting, and now I am just going to show you what the app looks like itself for anyone who's interested, and then I will do a separate video showing commands from ALEXA once I can figure that out. But for now, we're just going to take a quick look at the app. So I'm going to click on it's a backwards K with a line through it, or a little design next to it, icon, the blue one on the upper right hand side. So that's the app for the UKOKE Smart Portable Wi-Fi Air Conditioner. And now when you first open the app, it shows you both the target temperature in the room as well as the ambient temperature, which I love. So on the unit itself, it just says, in fact, I was thinking just today I would buy a separate thermometer just so I could kind of monitor how well this was doing, but it actually puts it right in the app for you. And it probably is about 74 degrees in here right now. It's very hot outside here today, and I turned this on about an hour ago, so it's just really starting to cool things down. And so the target temperature is on the top, the 60 degrees, and then the ambient temperature in the room just went up a degree, which is a little weird, 75. And then down the bottom, you have controls that mirror what is on the front of the unit, so you can change from cool to heat, fan, dry, and swing is an interesting one, definitely one of my favorites. So what this does, which is actually going right now, so I'm going to turn it off. So there's a little vent on the front of the unit that goes up and down to circulate the air in the room. It was so cool. It looks very, very futuristic. So I'm going to turn that back on because I like watching it. And then it's too bad I can't show you both at the same time. Sorry, my iPhone is my video camera, but hopefully this is somewhat helpful, just kind of walking you through how the app works. And then on the bottom right, you have your speeds. So I'm just going to adjust the speed. I'll put it on medium, and you can sort of hear the difference in terms of the fan. It's very quiet. I want to say it's a little bit louder than a window air conditioner would be, your typical window air conditioner, which I was expecting this thing to be a screamer. Like just because the unit itself is so big, it's maybe the size of two window air conditioners standing on top of each other. It weighs 60 pounds, so this thing is a bit of a beast. And then so let's just crank it all the way up, and when it really kicks on, you can sort of hear it get just a little bit louder. It's not a problem, and it's actually, I find it quite nice at night, and you don't get that grinding that you get with a lot of window air conditioners. So from that perspective, it's nice. And just to kind of round out my quick tour of this app here, we have a settings icon that gets you back into various air conditioner settings. I don't know what upgrade means. I guess I wanted the upgrade, but so I'll have to look into that. I'll put a link in the description to see what that's about. Delete and share, I assume, is a social sharing thing. Delete, I suppose you delete the configuration and start from scratch if you want. So temperature did just fall 2 more degrees if you noticed that. So and then in the upper right, you can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. I'm definitely Fahrenheit here in good old USA, and actually when you change it there, it also changes on the front of the unit, which is kind of cool. So that's a quick demo of the UKOKE app, and I will do a follow-up video on using ALEXA commands with the unit. If you got any value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do all sorts of videos about smart home technology. I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye for now.